everybody. So for today's 9 days of Navratri video, I'm gonna take a spin. I'm not doing a crazy makeup look, eyeshadow look. I'm just doing a basic makeup how-to. I had a comment from one of you of how to apply mascara, and you always seem to get it over here on your lid, which is what happens to me a lot of the times. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about how to prevent that and how to actually apply mascara. Now let me just tell you that I'm no expert. I don't know that this is the way to apply mascara, but I know that this works for me, and I would just like to share some tips maybe. Because the number one thing that really helps when applying mascara is an eyelash curler. Mine is from Oriflame. The first eyelash curler I ever used, and I've been using it. I mean, I've bought another one, but I don't know if it makes much of a difference if you use a different brand's eyelash curler, but I know that an eyelash curler makes a difference. Now let me show you. So how you use it is, it looks very scary. Even to my cousin sister, she's like, I cannot use it. So what you do is you open it. So it's like a scissor, looks like a torture device, but you open it. So now it's open. These are my lashes. I fit it right there, and then you just press it in. Can you see my eyelashes are being curled? I'm gonna press it and then let go. Now be careful when you're going like this. Don't touch it completely, because then when this will come, your skin will come inside. So make sure to leave a little bit of space, and then your eyelashes can be curled. Now can you tell the difference? Can you see how these ones are like curled and these ones are very straight? I'm sweating, by the way, because it's so hot and I have to keep the fan off. Some people actually put their hair dryer and heat their eyelashes so that they are heat style, like how you do with your hair, but that's very dangerous, so I don't recommend it. There you go. Can you see? They're curled already. So if you're not allowed to use mascara, like say at school or whatever, just do this and you are good to go. First of all, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I said first of all because let me change your life. Using two mascaras together really changes your eyelash game. The best mascara cocktail, what I like to call it, a mascara cocktail. The best one was the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and the Benefit They're Real Mascara. That was amazing. This gives volume, that gave length. It was just beautiful. It looks like I wore fake lashes. Anyways, let me apply the mascara quickly, otherwise these will fall because there's no product on these. You can actually use transparent mascara if you're going to school and you want to keep the curl. What I like to do is I get at the bottom, not touching my skin, but at the bottom of the lashes, and then I just wiggle it like this in zigzag motions like this. I don't just go like that. I feel like that just does not really do much. That just deposits the product on the bottom, and that's all. So I just wiggle it this way. It separates the lashes and applies the product evenly. There you go. Some people actually go over the lashes like this, but I feel like that makes my lashes fall. The curl just falls down, and then I'll apply it on the tip as well. There you go. Now if I want that innocent look with my mascara and not make it look like, oh my god, I'm glam, I'll just apply it on the top lashes. Now while the mascara is still a little bit wet setting in, I'll go in with the next mascara. This is the Kiko Milano mascara. This really separates the lashes and gives them length. So I'll do the same wiggling motion here, and as you can see, my lashes are separated. Perfect. Can we see there's some product on my lid? You see that? Some product on the lid. How do you get rid of it? Like if you can't avoid it, you just let it sit there, let it dry off, and then you can easily flick it off either with your finger or with a cotton bud. Or what you can do is you take a white visiting card or anything. I'm using white so that you can see the difference. You want to put the card here and then apply. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so this is going to be very difficult. Now you can actually go as hard you want on your lashes because you're not scared of your lid getting it. I never do this because I think it's very unnecessary. I can just rub it off easily. Why do I want to do this? But can you see the amount of product that got here, and I'm not even done, which is very inconvenient. So I'm sorry I won't be able to do that because I'm not used to this, but that is a trick that I know and a lot of people swear by it. So if you can go ahead and do it. If you watch my makeup tutorial, guys, I get my mascara on my eyeshadow over here a lot of the times, but I'm like, whatever, dude, nobody's perfect, right? If you want, you can go in for a second coat once the mascara is all dry. That will give you extra volume as well, but don't keep piling it on. 2 coats is like the most that you can do before your eyelashes start looking spidery and just clumpy. That does not look that good all the time. There was something here, right? Now let me show you how easily this comes off. There you go, it's off, right? I think so. Yeah, it's off. This gets a bit irritating or like difficult if you have eyeshadow on, then of course you can't do this. At that time I'm sure the card technique works, but it's okay, I'll just be careful. So this was the video of how to apply mascara. I really don't know if that's the perfect technique, but this is what I've learned. I hope this video was helpful and you like this little change, because having heavy duty tutorials every day also gets a little bit too much, right? So I thought this would be helpful. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye till then.